Imagine for a second if instead of earning 1% on your cash in a savings account, you could earn 6% or more passively investing in real estate. So instead of a savings account, you could actually have an earnings account. Hi, I'm Arnold, the CEO of Secured Investment Corp, and I'm eager to show you how to become a real estate investor and start earning a passive income with the Circle of Wealth Fund 3. Let me introduce you to our company. Secured Investment Corp is one of the fastest growing private money lenders in the United States. With over 125 years of combined specialized loan expertise, we have built a lending platform focused on non-owner occupied residential real estate. And we have helped thousands of borrowers by funding hundreds of millions of dollars in real estate-backed private money loans. And the reason I'm so excited to introduce you to our fund is the fact that real estate is one of the most desirable alternative asset classes available, and investing in a real estate-backed fund can allow you the benefits of real estate investing without the costs of ownership. Listen, one of the main tenets of our real estate investing education is to teach you how to create as many streams of income for yourself as possible. Does this sound like something you'd like to do? Of course it does. Have you ever wanted to invest in a real estate fund, but were told you're not worthy because you're not an accredited investor? What if I could show you how you can begin investing with as little as $1,000 and not have to be accredited? With our Reg A Plus Circle of Wealth Fund 3, this is made possible. You don't need to be an accredited investor, and you can begin investing with as little as $1,000. Our fund is open to anyone, and I mean anyone. You can potentially enjoy passive returns from real estate investing without first being a millionaire. You could start earning returns formerly reserved for the wealthiest of investors. Why should they have all the fun? This Circle of Wealth Fund 3 truly represents the notion of investing for the rest of us. You worked very hard for your money, but sometimes it seems your investments are earning more for your financial advisor than they're earning for you. And for some of you, it's time to dust off your idle IRA accounts. For others, this could be your first attempt at investing and building a passive stream of income for yourself. No matter what your circumstance is, the Circle of Wealth Fund 3 is ready to help you start earning passive returns, whether your investment is $1,000 or $100,000. The Circle of Wealth Fund 3 offers all investors consistently higher yields through the professional fund management team at Secured Investment Corp in increments of as little as $1,000. This is a fully audited fund, and it provides monthly payouts with the option to roll back in to the fund. So if you're ready to start generating passive income as an investor in this highly desirable real estate industry, the Circle of Wealth Fund 3 is tailor-made for you. So start investing today for as little as $1,000 by visiting us at circleofwealthfund.com. Again, that's circleofwealthfund.com. We look forward to working with you.